Hey there, new homeowners who have just collected the keys and are ready to embark on the renovation journey. Have you ever pondered how the energy in your home impacts your life? Get ready to unlock the secrets to creating spaces that resonate with your deepest desires and dreams. This video is your key to understanding why Feng Shui is a game changer in your renovation journey. Let's explore how your space is more than just a structure. It's a vibrant, living entity deeply connected to the external environment. Your home is like a canvas, with each external feature influencing the energy within. By harmonizing these elements through Feng Shui Space Planning, you can create a sanctuary that uplifts your life. Whether facing negative or positive external features, Feng Shui empowers you to balance and enhance the energy within your home. Infusing Feng Shui into your renovation blueprint is not just wise, it's an investment in the energy that defines your living space. Imagine a home where every element is in perfect harmony, nurturing and uplifting your life. Ready to avoid the top 5 Feng Shui mistakes during your renovation? Comment Reno below for exclusive tips. Stay tuned for more Feng Shui space planning insights and tricks to transform your living space into a sanctuary of positive energy. Until next time.